Hi guys! Today, I'll show you a simple home experiment. Gamit lang natin ang yeast at sugar. Ang gamit ko ngayon is an Eskinol bottle. Makikita natin paano nagpo-produce ng gas ang yeast at paano ito nagpapakita ng law of conservation of mass. Ang materials na gagamitin ko dito ay Eskinol bottle, balloon, yeast, sugar, warm water, at spoon. Ang procedure na gagawin natin dito ay una, maglagay ng warm water sa Eskinol bottle, mga 1/4 lang ng bottle para may space na lumobo ang balloon. Second procedure is to add 1/2 ng kutsara ng yeast at 1 kutsara ng asukal sa tubig. The third procedure is we need to stir lightly para maghalo. At ang last procedure natin ay i-attach agad ang balloon sa mouth ng bottle. While waiting for 30 minutes, our observation here is kapag may foam na sa ibabaw ng tubig or may bread-like smell o kaya naman lolobo na yung balloon. Lahat ito ay signs na nag-react na yung yeast at nagpo-produce ng CO2 gas. After waiting 30 minutes, na-achieve na natin dito ang ating expected observation. May foam na siya sa ibabaw ng tubig, may bread-like smell, at lumobo na ang kanyang balloon. This is a type of reaction, a fermentation reaction kung saan ang yeast ay kinakain niya yung sugar at nagpo-produce ng carbon dioxide na tinatawag nating CO2 and a bit of ethanol. Ang CO2 ay siya ang nag-i-inflate sa balloon kaya ito ay lumolobo. Our chemical equation here is C6H12O6 produces 2C2, H5OH, and 2CO2. So C6H12O6 represents glucose, which is sugar, and 2C2H5OH is the ethanol or alcohol. Ito yung na-produce sa fermentation. While 2CO2 is the carbon dioxide gas. Yun yung bumubuo sa balon natin. So in this experiment, we observed fermentation where yeast converts sugar into ethanol and carbon dioxide. The production of gas inflated the balloon, proving that a chemical reaction occurred. This also demonstrates the law of conservation of mass, because matter was not lost. It only changed form. Thank you for watching!